I'm Brian King, and again we're back on a series about decoding our DNA, who we are at King Law. And nothing says who we are at King Law like the growth that we've had. Our growth started in 2002 when we started immediately looking to come up with a formula that makes sense not just in one location, but in all locations. And we did that with having relationships with different communities, and then finding attorneys that were interested in having uh, a practice in different locations. Like, let's have one in Marion. Let's be in Morganton, North Carolina. Let's be in Gaffney, South Carolina. That's because we have attorneys that are willing to say, hey, I want to learn, but I want to have my own practice. In order to do that, it's important that when you are looking to bring clients in, that when you get to that client, and I always say that the most important client is your first client, but your second most important client is that 51st client, that one that you don't necessarily have time to be able to take care of, or all the house of cards falls apart. When you get that next client, you need to have someone who's there to be able to take care of that next client. And when you do that, growth happens. And as long as you allow yourself to be able to help people, you are going to grow, because wherever you are, people need legal services. And people that need legal services cannot find legal services at a affordable rate and with the ease of being able to pick up the phone and call, to be able to catch somebody on email, to be able to chat online. And we do that. That's how we grow. Firms all across the country do a great job for clients, but when they get busy, they're not there to be able to answer the phone. They're not there to be able to take the consultation. That's how you don't grow. And when you don't grow, ultimately, you're going to die. And that's what we believe at King Law, is to make sure that we are there for that next client. And that's part of who we are and what our DNA is at King Law.